The Power of Positive Thinking. Chapter 6. Stop worrying. Start living. Have you ever laid in bed at night, completely exhausted, but your mind just wouldn't stop thinking? You replay conversations. You imagine things going wrong. You worry about tomorrow. By morning, you're mentally drained. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many of life's hardest battles are fought inside our own minds. In this chapter, Norman Vincent Peale reveals why worry is one of the greatest thieves of peace, and how replacing fear with faith can completely transform the way you live. Chapter Review. Worry has a way of disguising itself as responsibility. It convinces us that if we keep thinking about a problem, we'll somehow prevent it from happening. But worry doesn't solve problems. It drains your energy, clouds your judgment, and steals the peace you need to move forward. Peale explains that most of our worries are based on possibilities, not realities. We fear conversations that go well, expect failures that never happen, and imagine disasters that never arrive. The result? We suffer twice. First in our minds, and then realize there was never a real reason to. Think about it. How many times have you worried about an interview, an exam, or an important phone call, only to discover everything turned out better than expected? That's because worry often magnifies problems before they even exist. Another lesson Peale emphasizes is that your mind grows in the direction you feed it. Feed it fear, and fear becomes your expectation. Feed it hope, gratitude, and positive thoughts, and you'll begin seeing opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Your circumstances may not change overnight, but your attitude toward them certainly can. One of the most practical habits you can develop is living one day at a time, instead of carrying tomorrow's burdens. Focus on today's responsibilities. Do what you can today, and trust God with the rest. That simple shift brings remarkable peace. Peale also reminds us that faith and worry cannot occupy the same space for long. The more you choose faith, the less power fear has over your life. Positive thinking doesn't mean pretending life is easy. It means believing that every challenge can be faced. Every setback has a lesson, and every difficult season will eventually pass. So the next time your mind asks, what if everything goes wrong? Pause and ask, what if everything works out? Sometimes. The biggest breakthrough begins with a single positive thought. Life nuggets. 1. Worry steals today's peace without improving tomorrow. 2. Feed your mind with faith, and fear will slowly lose its grip. Powerful takeaway. You cannot control every situation, but you can control how you respond to it. Choose faith over fear. Focus on today instead of worrying about tomorrow. Because peace doesn't come from having all the answers. It comes from trusting that whatever lies ahead, God will give you the strength to face it. Thanks for watching.